Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and it's time to give away the Iron Maiden Trooper van. I kind of did this as a partial van a few weeks ago during the Vantastic Challenge. I just had some leftover paint, and I had to print out some decals anyways. So I'd mixed the blood red candy with some grabber orange candy, and this is kind of what I ended up with. But I really didn't do much to it. I changed the wheels, and that was about it. But I had a lot of interest in it, so I decided to give it away. And what better day than Father's Day? I'm doing this kind of early because I have a lot going on today, so don't want to keep anybody waiting any further. So here we go. I go to this random comment picker that is a website, and it's fair and impartial. There's 200 and something comments as of 10:25 a.m. in Eastern Standard Time. Filter out all the random duplicates, and the winner is Kevin Badburn 03. You have won yourself an Iron Maiden Trooper van. Please email me at outlawspeedshop2001@gmail.com. I'll have it in the description down below as well. Congratulations, and I will catch you on the next one.